Feeling sluggish? Want to hit the reset button on your health? A 7-day detox might be just what you need. It can help you feel lighter, more energized, and refreshed. It's like a spring cleaning for your body. Before you jump in, remember, it's always best to chat with your doctor first. They can make sure a detox is right for you. This is especially important if you have any health conditions. Safety first. Let's bust a myth right away. This 7-day detox is about nourishing your body with whole, clean foods. We're not talking about starving yourself. It's about giving your body a break from processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. Get ready to enjoy delicious meals and snacks packed with nutrients. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. These foods will provide the energy and support your body needs to thrive during the detox. Day 1 is all about flushing out toxins and kickstarting your detox. How? Hydration is key. Start your day with a large glass of warm water with lemon. This helps to wake up your digestive system. Throughout the day, sip on herbal teas, water infused with fruits and vegetables, and clear broths. These fluids will help to keep you hydrated and support your body's natural detoxification processes. Avoid sugary drinks, caffeine, and alcohol today. A healthy gut is crucial for overall well-being. On day 2, we're focusing on fiber-rich foods to support digestion. Start your day with a bowl of oatmeal topped with berries and chia seeds. For lunch and dinner, incorporate plenty of vegetables like broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and leafy greens. These foods are packed with fiber, which helps to keep things moving smoothly in your digestive system. Day 3. Green goodness. Leafy greens for vital nutrients. Today, we dive into the world of leafy greens, exploring their immense benefits and how to incorporate them into your daily diet. Get ready for a day filled with green goodness. Leafy greens are not just a side dish. They are a cornerstone of a healthy diet, providing essential nutrients that support overall well-being. Leafy greens are nutritional powerhouses, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as folate and iron, which are crucial for maintaining good health. These nutrients help boost your immune system, improve bone health, and support healthy skin. Aim to eat at least 2 cups of leafy greens throughout the day. This can be easily achieved by incorporating them into various meals. Start your day with a green smoothie, add a handful of greens to your lunch salad, and include them in your dinner as a side dish or main ingredient. You can enjoy them in smoothies, salads, or even lightly sautéed with garlic and olive oil. Green smoothies are a fantastic way to start your day, blending greens with fruits for a delicious and nutritious drink. Salads can be made more exciting by adding a variety of greens, along with other colorful vegetables and a tasty dressing. Spinach, kale, romaine lettuce, and arugula are all great options. Each type of green offers unique flavors and textures, making it easy to find one that suits your taste. Spinach is mild and versatile, kale is hearty and robust, romaine is crisp and refreshing, and arugula adds a peppery kick. Incorporate them into your meals and snacks to reap their incredible benefits. Whether you're meal prepping for the week or looking for a quick snack, leafy greens can be easily added to your routine. Try adding them to wraps, sandwiches, or even as a topping for your favorite pizza. The possibilities are endless, and the health benefits are undeniable. So embrace the green goodness and make leafy greens a staple in your diet today. Day 4. Energy boost. Combat fatigue with natural pick-me-ups. Feeling a bit tired? It's normal to experience some fatigue during a detox. Your body is working hard to eliminate toxins, and this can sometimes leave you feeling drained. But don't worry, there are natural ways to combat this fatigue and keep your energy levels up. Day 4 is all about boosting your energy levels naturally. By incorporating nutrient-dense foods into your diet, you can give your body the fuel it needs to stay active and alert throughout the day. Start your day with a smoothie packed with fruits, vegetables, and a scoop of protein powder. This combination provides a balanced mix of vitamins, minerals, and protein to kickstart your morning and keep you going strong. Snack on nuts and seeds throughout the day for sustained energy. These small but mighty snacks are rich in healthy fats, protein, and fiber, which help to stabilize your blood sugar levels and prevent energy crashes. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are all great choices. They not only provide essential nutrients, but also add a satisfying crunch to your meals and snacks. They provide healthy fats, protein, and fiber to keep you feeling full and energized. Incorporating these into your diet can help you maintain a steady energy level throughout the day, making it easier to stay focused and productive. Staying hydrated is also crucial for maintaining energy levels. Make sure to drink plenty of water throughout the day. Dehydration can often be mistaken for fatigue, so keeping a water bottle handy can help you stay refreshed and alert. In addition to a healthy diet, incorporating light exercise into your routine can also boost your energy. A short walk, some stretching, or even a few minutes of yoga can get your blood flowing and help you feel more awake and energized. Don't forget the importance of mental relaxation. Taking a few moments to meditate or practice deep breathing can reduce stress and improve your overall sense of well-being, which in turn can enhance your energy levels. Remember, the key to combating fatigue is a combination of proper nutrition, hydration, physical activity, and mental relaxation. By making these natural pick-me-ups a part of your daily routine, you can keep your energy levels high and feel your best throughout your detox journey. Day 5. Liver love. Supporting detoxification with the right foods. Your liver is your body's primary detoxification organ. Today we're giving it some extra love with foods that support its function. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts are particularly beneficial for liver health. Incorporate them into your meals along with other liver-supporting foods like beets, garlic, and turmeric. These foods contain compounds that help to neutralize toxins and support your liver's natural detoxification processes. Day 6. Transitioning back. Gradually reintroduce foods. As we approach the end of the detox, it's important to transition back to a regular diet gradually. This process is crucial to ensure that your body adapts smoothly and you maintain the benefits you've gained from the detox. Start by reintroducing foods you may have avoided during the detox, such as dairy. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt can be reintroduced slowly. Begin with small portions and observe how your body responds. Next, consider reintroducing gluten. This includes foods like bread, pasta, and cereals. Again, start with small amounts and pay close attention to any changes in your digestion or energy levels. Caffeine, found in coffee and tea, should also be reintroduced gradually. Pay attention to how your body reacts to each food. Keep a journal to note any physical or emotional changes you experience. This can help you identify any sensitivities or intolerances you may have developed. If you experience any digestive discomfort or other adverse reactions, consider limiting or avoiding those foods. It's important to listen to your body and not rush the process. Your body needs time to adjust to these foods again. Listen to your body and make adjustments as needed. Incorporate mindfulness practices such as meditation or gentle stretching to help you stay in tune with your body's signals. Enjoy the process of discovering what works best for you and continue to make healthy choices that support your overall well-being. Day 7. Balanced and beyond, maintaining healthy habits. Congratulations on completing the 7-day detox. Now let's focus on maintaining the healthy habits you've cultivated. Aim to eat a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Continue to prioritize hydration and limit processed foods, added sugars, and unhealthy fats. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in your overall health and well-being. Your detox journey. Embrace the transformation. This 7-day detox is just the beginning of your journey towards a healthier you. Embrace the transformation you've experienced and continue to make choices that nourish your body and mind. How do you feel after this 7-day journey? Share your experience. Let's inspire each other to live our healthiest lives.